Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe because I'll appreciate it and you're going to enjoy yourself. I'm guaranteeing a good time. Alright, cool. And if you've been here before, you're family, guys. I always say this. So, like the video from now, based on the title, just tell me if you feel like, say, me know me I do. Please say yes. I need the encouragement. Alright, so today I'm challenging myself to prepare a 3-course meal with only $1,000, right? Only $1,000. So I'm giving you the cheapest, not cheap, we don't use the word cheap, most affordable way to shop, the most affordable way to get a 3-course meal and spice up your life, spice up your little, if a little boy come over and you don't have no money and so, this is the way to go. So here we're going. If you want to see how to get the most affordable 3-course meal, just keep on watching. Quick disclaimer. I just try match it out in my head because I try see how this I gonna do. Cause $1,000 not enough money if you do a 3-course meal. So here what we're gonna do. We're not buy seasoning. So, and if you cook, you understand why I don't cook. But if you cook, you understand why we can't buy seasoning because it's gonna cost like $5 million if seasoning cost included. So we're not buy seasoning, and I'm going to make this a 2-part video. So I'm going to get the stuff in this video and show you how to bargain and stuff like that and how to look for the best prices. And then I'm going to cook in another video. Oh, this look like police. Oh, not police. Alright, cool. Just some man brought down. We'll go past them because, not no good Samaritan. Anyways, I'm just realizing that while I'm actually telling you guys that I don't know how to cook, I should probably inform you that I don't shop for, I don't go to the supermarket and then something to eat up. No, I have all type of thoughts. Do I go to the supermarket or do I go to the market? Wait, we're up on a budget, so that's the market, right? We're up on a budget, so that's the market. That's market. Make we see. I have a list of things I need to get in my head. Appetizer, entree, and dessert. Alright, so I'm thinking to make a cream of pumpkin soup with curry chicken and white rice, because why not? And for the dessert, a mudslide. Does that sound affordable? Probably the mudslide go around with the most money. But pumpkin's supposed to cheap. I'm gonna buy like 2 pound of mixed chicken parts. Right? Me genuinely don't know. But anyway, the money top, it just top. Oh my god, AC I dry out my face! So I need to go to the market first because we need 1 pound of chicken, mixed parts, and a small cut of pumpkin. And there's a meat shop in the market. So let's go. Alright, let's go. First purchase out of the $1,000. Please kind of follow up. Social distancing. Much for 1 pound of mixed parts? 1 pound? Yeah. Alright, can I get that please? Just a while ago, the chicken cost me $225. That's not bad. Made a bargain for $250. I was like, I think it would be $250. So that's not bad. We're up on track. We need to find cheap pumpkin now. Nice, miss. How much for your thinnest slice of pumpkin? Moss. We don't want enough. 200 a pound. I get 1 pound now. Thanks. Like, me never know there's some pumpkin there. $200 for a pound of pumpkin? You can't go in place and go like you're excited to spend money. You have to make them feel like, say, isn't it? You don't have it. So guys, I forgot to tell you that I had to do the most disgusting. Me just touch me. Just touch my face. Give me a second, I'm sanitize. Sanitize! Alright, so as I say, I had to do the grossest thing just a while ago, guys. I forgot that you have to take bags everywhere. So I had to put the pumpkin and the meat in my bag. And now my bag stink. Well, not stink, it just... I'm not like that. I forgot to wash my bag. Damn! Alright, let me see what else I need to get. I need to buy 1 pound of rice, some affordable rum cream, and some affordable ice cream. So we're not gonna ever today. Yes, I. Alright, so I have $575. You see me? I'm gonna need to get an affordable rum cream, affordable ice cream, and 1 pound of rice. But in our supermarket right now, I'm pretty sure it's not the cheapest supermarket. But But I can't bother with the bagger hustle and bustle because the town pack up and I can't deal with that. I can't bother with that right now. So we're gonna make it work. Anything we not get, we improvise. Guys, I'm pretty sure say the whole of Jamaica food done for the little lockdown we get. A supermarket full of people. That's crazy. The supermarket full of people. May get little light from the fridge something. Don't know about it. So the lowest amount as it relates to pounds I could find is £2, but it's $95. So I don't know if that good. That good, right? It's $95 for £2. So we have the rice. Oh, the ice cream. I doubt I'll go find it in here. The cheap ice cream and the affordable rum cream. Let's see. Yo, G, which one would I find rum cream? Is there? Customer service side? Alright, manos. Excuse me, so what's the price for your most affordable bottle of rum cream? $4.20. Alright, never mind. So guys, it's $4.20. It's not gonna make no sense. It's not go. So I go over it. Because I know it allow me to forget. So I go over it. So I'm telling us that we can't go get ice cream here, so because we know them are not affordable ice cream. And yeah, one of them over the budget already. So nah. After I got some boom and cash or something, I remember this is $95, $118. I never know say so. Just to come up to so much. The GCT go up and something and it just reach $118 all of a sudden. I don't want to leave the town. Yeah guys, so I'm choosing to head home so I can get my work done and then I come back on the road. So yeah, just reaching guys, and so far this is what we have. Pumpkin. What is that? 1 pound of pumpkin, 1 pound of chicken mixed parts, and 2 pounds of rice. I'm gonna go to my class and make an update now. Alright, so I just got out of my group presentation, you see me? And I was thinking about it and I was like, yo, it really affordable to plan a 3-course meal if you depend on like a tight budget. But then I also looked at it and I realized that I was looking at it from a very privileged point, because whilst to me, you know, if I'm budgeting and I can say, yo, $1,000 and I can kill that, you see me? I look at it and I realize that a lot of persons actually can't do that, which means a lot of persons can't find $1,000. Because if we be real, most Jamaican households, them not make no 3-course meal. And the fact say a lot of places don't have a meal just shows say state of shit kind of really bad, because people can't find $1,000 dog. That's like the bare minimum. $1,000 like $100 now. And I was looking at it and I was just like, yo, this easy, because it's just $1,000. Pay for your meal. It's just kind of weird, say, a lot of persons can't find enough money for a meal, and I'm pretty sure that a meal can be under $1,000. So guys, be kind with to who you can be kind to. Some persons just genuinely don't have it. With that being said, let me update you real quick. I feel lazy. I'm going to go get the rest of the stuff then tomorrow. I'm going to get the rest of the stuff tomorrow. But just count out the money. I have $455. So off the $1,000, I have $455 left. And I'm supposed to buy rum cream and ice cream with that. Pretty sure I'm supposed to can buy that. The rum cream probably going to be kind of tricky. Good morning. So day 2 of shopping on a budget. What's my name now? $465. And we need to get rum cream and ice cream. Pretty sure we can do that. We can do that. So let's go. Alright, so I don't know why, but I'm really in a good mood today. I don't know why. Still have group work for you know. I'm just really in a good mood. But once again, it's just the struggle of finding parking in the town. Cause apparently people just nothing to do, no work. Every parking spot just full up, so we don't understand why the town full up so. So I just got one place and the cheapest rum cream them have of a $4.90. So we can't do that. That's what we're not gonna do. So I'm still on the hunt. Sometimes, you know, things just take long to find, but Pretty sure I said that. I'm pretty sure we can go lower than 490. 490, pretty sure we can go lower than 490. Because the place before that much, 420, that's yesterday. Guys, I'm pretty sure it's illegal for this car to be on the road. Me I inform right now. Me I black out the license plate, but me I inform. The car on the windshield, the car shake, the car literally a shake. I don't like that. Suppose all part I'd fly off and lick this. I don't like that. I show them. I try slickly show them. Hope you don't see. Guys, the car on a windscreen. The car windscreen mash up. Oh, you must see. Me not understand. But anyways, sometimes looking for a good bargain requires you even going into a different parish. We're going to Maypen right now, and let's hope we find cheap rum cream, no, affordable rum cream, and affordable ice cream. Let's go. Yo, I feel like during this COVID thing, the worst thing to do is go on the toll. Like, miss, may I get the money? Why you need for... Why the money are reverse? The money are fully stop and a reverse on the highway. You see, we can't deal with the foolishness. We can't. Anyways, as me that say, like, miss, if me I get the money, why you need to hold all up on my hand? Like, why you need to make your gloves where touch everybody touch all of my knuckles, and me not have so much hand sanitizer. Like, me just feel like a 50 people germs we just put on my hand. Me just really annoyed. Excuse me, so what's the cost of the most affordable bottle of rum cream? Like the smallest one. The cheapest, smallest one. I'm on a budget, may I ask? 320? Alright, we can do that. You carry come. It's $328 and that good. I'm telling you, sometimes I just take a little tenacity, you know. It goes so far away. We get a bottle rum cream for which brand is? Rumbar rum cream. We get it for $323, and we just work it out. So $460 minus $323 is $137. So now we just need to get like a 100 cup of ice cream. Them they still sell. Me hope so. Suppose you can find one like a corner shop we sell ice cream for $137. So yeah, guys, we're on a roll. We're doing great. I think we're doing great because we're supposed to can find a 100 cup of ice cream. So let's go. You know, have a Pampers mask hung up in this one. Pampers mask. Guys, I'm at one of your favorites house right now. They are Askia place because Askia Askia living in so somebody runs a must sell $100 ice cream. Don't Askia? Alright, see? Askia says somebody sell $100 ice cream. So we get it. It might take long to get ready though. Yo, guys. Reach Askia at the right time. Reach Askia, pat the past stove, man, just done cook. Yo, time of party, I just sit down and chill. We go down the video, you don't know, we just need to sit down. Come here and say, yeah man, boy, I cook so we can hands off. Go down. Yes, sir. You can cook, man, so which is why it's only fit that I am going to do the taste test for the next video, next week, when we cook with the ingredients that I got today. But for now, we'll go to the place and see how much for the ice cream and if it's under $137. This is why me not like you, man. This is why me not like you, man. Oh, no way. Now the people them will style me as the place. What kind of ice cream? Dragon Stone. Alright, wait. Thanks. Me not have video. I'm myself me have video. Me not have video, man.
So I make you have a camera.
I'm myself me have video. Me like a year though. I'm a video me do a YouTube video. Your hair look nice.
Oh, don't put me like.
Me not put in it, but you can't say thanks for like a year. You're welcome. So hey guys, we get the ice cream for $130. You see me? Big up on the sale. Oh, the camera. We get the video for we get the ice cream for $130 because she tell me say I want 50 feet, so I beg her if you take off the $20 worth because me not have it. So I'm tell her if you take off the $20 worth, so we get ice cream for $130 and we have $7 left. You just scare everybody. So yeah guys, with that being said, I think this is the end of the video. We got the ingredients for our 3-course meal, except the we got the ingredients for our 3-course meal, except the seasoning for under $1,000, and we have $7 for spare. Yes, you have to go go different places and do like compare prices, and you probably have to ball down the ice cream. But it's possible. So with $7 to spare, I passed this challenge. The next challenge is next week, where I'll prepare the meal and Askia will give you the review. I'm gonna do the taste test. So you can look on yourself.
No.
So guys, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. We're up on the road, so we're gone.
Let me do it.
Alright.